bridge is getting lower. Shrimp boats are coming home. The old man in the quarter, he slowly turns his head and takes a sip from his whiskey bottle. And this is what he said: I was born in the rain on a poncho train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't feel the strain of a hurricane. It come around every June. High black water, devil's daughter, and she's cold, she's fast, and she's mean. But no one ever told her that water can't wash away